Here's a certified 2021 Mercedes-Benz GLE. It's the dictionary definition of a premium SUV. In it, you'll get lasting luxury and constant capability. And it comes with all the amenities you need. Automatic transmission, automatic with driver control suspension management, engine auto stop start feature, hands-free liftgate, integrated navigation system with voice activation, Wi-Fi hotspot, dual zone climate control, streaming audio, power tilting steering column, memory exterior door mirror settings, and intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine. Mercedes-Benz keeps setting the standard and driving forward. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
Call us at 425-673-0505, online at mblynnwood.com, or stop in and visit at 17800 Highway 99,